time's come to start to weld this now. The lad's cut it and he's milled all the faces fairly flat, but I need a gap to weld, or I need to machine some of this away so I can get some penetration. It's no good just trying to put a little bit of weld on top. So we'll use a die grinder with a ball cutter in. That fin there has to come out, so that one. We'll put a little groove in the top of there so I can get some penetration. Then this can be all machined or filed flat once it's done. Same down here, that needs grinding out underneath where the fins are. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with that, but there's going to be a fair bit of metal removed. See, it's clamped onto a big solid steel mandrel on main bearings, which is a dead bearing fit. So that should hopefully keep it all in line. I'm going to preheat it. Probably oxy-propane flame, get some heat into it, just the sort of heat where you can't touch it. Makes a big difference to how nicely it welds. So we'll get the die grinder, we'll prepare some of this ready for welding, and then we'll have a go at welding it. I'm going to use a little bit of WD-40 as a lubricant for cutting. I'll just wash that off with brake cleaner before I start to weld it. So let's see if we can do a little bit of damage with a die grinder. I don't think I'll weld in there because obviously the liner or the cylinder barrel fits in there. I'll weld the outside of it, that's going to be more than sufficient. But we do need to get some of this off, and I think I'm going to need a more aggressive cutter as well. Definitely a more aggressive. Unfortunately, the dreaded sound gremlins have hit again. You can see underneath I've actually cut all the finning off. Well, in fact I didn't. I gave it back to the lad whose bike engine it is. You've removed all the fins, so now onto the crankcase proper. You can see he's got it drilled out so I can get some decent welds into there. It's no good just trying to put a little bit of weld on top. You need to get some proper penetration, which now I'm well able to do. It's been drilled out through here as well. That's the joint, the horizontal joint. I've got to keep away from that. The filler wire I'm going to use is 4043. It's got silicone in it, which is ideal for welding cast with. I'm using a water cooled torch with a nice big tungsten in it in the gas lens. This is one of the propane torches out of my furnace. I want to get a fair amount of heat into it. The more heat you put in now, the less amperage you've got to put in when you're welding it. It needs to be the sort of temperature where you can't touch it. I want to get plenty of heat into that central steel column or the central steel mandrel. Just a general warm up. I know Alan Milliard, who's the man for doing this sort of job, uses a gas barbecue. I haven't got a gas barbecue. But I'm going to spend quite a bit of time waving this around, get plenty of heat into it, and hopefully it should weld nice and clean. The noise you can hear is my cooling fan running in the background because it's going to get pretty warm in here. welding nice, really nice. It's actually welded not too bad, but even though it was vapor blasted, wire brushed, washed off, acetoned, there was still oil come out of the bastard thing. Just the top half where the cylinders go. It is welded from both sides, so tons of penetration. This is the bottom part. Welded around the outside. All that was welded when it was clamped to the mandrel. Then I turned it over and welded the inside. So this was ground out right through till it hit the other weld, and it's all kind of fused together now, so hopefully, and I've left plenty of little build up for them to, you'll just be trying to file it flat, I would imagine. Once again, just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do, it is important. And don't forget, if you start to feel like pissed off, depressed, really sad, you'll know what it's like when you get there. Get help. The help is available. If me saying this makes one more person go and get some help, it's all been worthwhile. And believe me, it's not easy to talk about. It's not easy at all. Anyway, thanks for watching.